Ever walked into a restaurant and wondered how they managed to take your order, fire it to the kitchen, split the bill, and remember your loyalty points, all while seemingly juggling 100 other things? The secret sauce is often a powerful point of sale, POS, system, and today, we're diving deep into one of the big players, Revel systems. How does Revel actually work? That's exactly what we're going to uncover in this video. Before we jump in, it's important to understand why POS systems like Revel are so crucial. Imagine a business, especially in the hospitality or retail industry, trying to operate without one. Orders would get lost, inventory would be a mystery, and customer management would be a nightmare. POS systems bring order to the chaos. They're the central nervous system, connecting all the different parts of a business. Revel, in particular, is known for its iPad-based system, its flexibility, and its robust features. So, let's break down the core components of how Revel works. First, you have the hardware. This typically includes iPads, which act as the main terminal, receipt printers, cash drawers, barcode scanners, and sometimes even kitchen display systems. Revel is designed to be mobile, meaning you can take orders tableside, process payments anywhere in your store, and manage everything from the palm of your hand. This mobility is a game changer for efficiency and customer service. Now, let's talk about the software, the brains behind the operation. This is where the magic happens. Revel's software is cloud-based, meaning all your data is stored securely online. This has several advantages. First, it means you can access your data from anywhere with an internet connection. You can check your sales figures from home, manage your inventory from another location, and even make changes to your menu remotely. Second, cloud-based systems are generally more reliable. If your iPad crashes, your data is safe and sound in the cloud. Third, updates are automatic. You don't have to worry about manually installing new versions of the software. One of the key functions of Revel is order management. When a customer places an order, it's entered into the system on the iPad. This order is then instantly sent to the kitchen display system, where the kitchen staff can see it in real time. This eliminates the need for handwritten tickets and reduces the risk of errors. Once the order is ready, the staff can mark it as complete on the kitchen display system, and the server is notified. Payment processing is another critical aspect. Revel integrates with various payment processors, allowing you to accept credit cards, debit cards, and even mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay. The system calculates the total bill, including taxes and any applicable discounts, and processes the payment securely. Can also split bills easily, a must-have for restaurants. And, of course, it prints receipts for customers. Inventory management is another area where Revel shines. The system tracks your inventory levels in real time. As items are sold, the inventory is automatically updated. This helps you avoid running out of popular items and reduces waste from overstocking. Revel can also generate reports on your inventory levels, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is also built into Revel. The system allows you to collect customer information, such as their name, email address, and purchase history. This information can be used to personalize marketing efforts, offer loyalty programs, and improve customer service. You can track customer preferences, reward frequent visitors, and even send targeted promotions. Reporting is a powerful feature of Revel. The system generates a wide variety of reports, including sales reports, inventory reports, labor reports, and customer reports. These reports provide valuable insights into your business performance, helping you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. You can see what's selling well, what's not, and how your business is performing overall. Now, let's talk about some of the specific features that make Revel stand out. One of the most notable is its customizability. Revel can be tailored to fit the specific needs of your business. You can customize your menu, your pricing, your layout, and even the look and feel of the system. This flexibility is crucial for businesses of all sizes, from small cafes to large multi-location restaurants. Another key feature is its offline mode. Even if your internet connection goes down, Revel will continue to function. Orders can still be taken, payments can still be processed, and your data will be synced to the cloud once the connection is restored. This ensures that your business can continue to operate even in the event of a power outage or internet disruption. Revel also offers a robust API, which allows you to integrate with other business systems, such as accounting software, loyalty programs, and online ordering platforms. This integration can streamline your operations and improve efficiency. For example, you can automatically export your sales data to your accounting software, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Security is a top priority for Revel. The system uses encryption to protect your data and complies with all industry security standards. This ensures that your sensitive information is safe and secure. So, how does it all work together? Imagine a customer walking into a restaurant. The server greets them and takes their order using an iPad running the Revel app. The order is sent to the kitchen display system, where the chef prepares the food. Once the food is ready, the server brings it to the customer. When the customer is ready to pay, the server uses the iPad to process the payment. The receipt is printed, and the customer leaves happy. Meanwhile, Revel is tracking the inventory, updating the sales figures, and collecting customer data. The manager can access all this information remotely and use it to make informed decisions about the business. That's a simplified overview, of course. Revel is a complex system with a wide range of features. But hopefully, this gives you a better understanding of how it works and why it's such a popular choice for businesses in the hospitality and retail industries. From order management and payment processing to inventory control and customer relationship management, Revel provides a comprehensive solution for managing all aspects of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.